Hello, welcome back. Got another video today. Today we're going to be cleaning my Kona fire mountain. It's 1994. It was rebuilt during 2020, obviously the dreaded COVID year. I purchased it and put my own few little touches on it. It has got V brakes on it. Now this bike was never built with V brakes, so I'm going to be changing them to cantilever. I've also got Project 2 forks, which are hopefully going to put on. The only downside is these are inch steerer, and what I've got in there at the minute is 1 1/8, so I'm going to have to get a new headset and possibly new stem. Well, I mean, I will have to get a new stem because this one, it's a velocity stem, but it's 1 1/8. Either that, or I'll find a set of Project 2s with 1 1/8 steerer, and I'll keep these probably for an older build that I've got. So yeah, let's crack on stripping it down. These bar end plugs are absolutely mashed, so we're going to take them out and we're going to put some new ones on. I'm going to change the grips as well because I'm not a fan of these. We've lost one of the bar end plugs, never mind, don't want that anyway. So what have we got? Good. Gonna do these. Cable tie on there. Hello. Giving himself a little scratch. Just coming to see me. Honey. Oh, that's not fit for YouTube. What we need. That's the one we need. And a bit of a clean up. You all right there? So yeah, I might end up keeping the Manitou forks on for now, until I can decide what I want to do. I could buy an inch headset, and I'd have to buy an inch velocity stem, or I could buy a set of 1/8" Project 2 forks, and I can use the stem that I've already got and the headset. So just weighing out the cost of it, because at the moment a set of 1/8" Project 2s are going for around sort of £80–90, and when they need some work doing to them, like respray or whatever, I think it's a bit too much. So the headset's not going to be much, 20 quid, and a new stem, again, they're only about £20–25 anyway. So you know, might be worth going down that route. But for now, we'll keep the Manitou forks on. You know, they work. They've had a spring conversion kit put in, so there's no elastomers anymore. Yeah, I think for now we'll keep it with that. We'll take them off, take them apart, give them a polish up and clean up, and I think we'll just refit them and keep them on there for now. So what we've got the stem's quite tight, and I don't want to scratch the post. So all I've done is put the bolt in from the bottom, put a little washer in there. You only need to nip it up a little bit, and that's enough to get the bars out without putting a big score or scratch down them. So yeah, you put the bolt up from underneath, and then you got a little washer in there. You screw the bolt against the washer, and that opens up the stem clamp. So you don't need to do it a lot, just enough to lift it off the bar in case any of these edges here scratch your bars. And that's it. And then all you do is just undo that. See, it's a bit tight, it's a bit greasy as well, but just undo it, take it out, put the bolt back the other way. All good. Just got to get the muck out of here and we should all be good. Well, they were really tight to get out, those chainring bolts, but everything looks okay. We've got a system where we've got the washer in the middle. They all have to be cleaned. You can see all the dirt on the chainring. Get all that off and should be good to go. So when the Kona was rebuilt during COVID, whoever built it fitted these Avid 1 V brakes, but the bike itself was released with cantilevers. So I'm not going to put these back on. I want to try and make it back to original as possible. There will be some bits that won't be, like the wheels, I just can't find them. And some little sort of orangey bits that I put on, including these. Got some nice orange brake mount bolts. So I have got, you can see me there, just move it a bit. I have got a full STX group set, but it's not in the best of conditions. So the rear mech, yeah, it's got a bit of corrosion on it and stuff like that, as you can see there. If you can see, there's a little bit of corrosion on it, but we have some canty brake levers, 2 of, and we'll also have a full set of STX canty brakes. With the original Shimano pads on. So hang on. No, my correction. It was meant to be a full STX group set, but these are Olivio. So it is a full set. I'm not too bothered that they're the Olivio. They are aluminium. The original ones on the bike were Shimano Tawny, so these are a bit of an upgrade, even though obviously any purists out there will say no, got to put Tawny on, but I haven't got any. I've got these, or I've got a set of black aluminium STX ones, so I think I'm going to go with the silver. But yeah, we've got 2 new crank bolts which I'm going to fit instead of the X-Lite ones. Just yeah, a bit better. And we've got the Shimano branded cable straddle. I'll put a bit of lube in it through there. We've got 2 of them. Again, we've got that. Obviously we've got this bit here, so that goes in there like that. Now I just need to set the right distance. So yeah, that's the ones I'm going to use. The brake mounting bolts, but I'm not going to use them. Go back in there. Also in the box I have got a set of pedals. They don't look like Shimano. I'm not sure what they are. Plastic bodied, metal cage. Could be just some generic pedals. We have a STX crank set. Pretty good condition. So we've got the other one, but they couldn't get the pedal off. That won't be an issue. Got the front mech. That's STX as well. Oh, can't even see it. There we go. Front mech. We've got cassette. Obviously needs a bit of a clean inside there, but it's all good. It's all, nothing's really worn. All the teeth are pretty good condition. I mean that one there looking a bit pointy, but the rest of them look all right. Anything I don't like with it is it came with these grip shifters. I'm not a fan. I was never a fan of grip shift, but you know, they might come useful on a bike if I have to repair something. They still work fine, but yeah, not for me. So I forgot to push record when I took these out. I took them all out, re-greased it. They're all cleaned up. All look good. Stems in. So for now, I'm gonna have to keep these forks in. I'm gonna try and find a set of 1-inch Project 2s, I think. Frame's all cleaned, polished, and then obviously all the bits are laid out here. The brakes are cleaned. So yeah. So if you stuck this far, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one, which will hopefully be rebuilding this bike. Thanks very much.